Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max. Welcome to this presentation on Apple's latest flagship, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, launched in September 2025. In this session, we'll explore its design, performance, camera system, features, specifications, and pricing. Introduction. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is built with a unibody design crafted from aerospace-grade titanium, making it both lightweight and durable. It features Apple's new Ceramic Shield 2 on the front and back for enhanced drop and scratch resistance. At the heart is a massive 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with ProMotion technology for ultra-smooth visuals. Powering it all is the new A19 Pro chip with a vapor chamber cooling system, ensuring consistent peak performance. Camera system. One of the most exciting upgrades comes in the camera system. The iPhone 17 Pro Max sports a triple 48-megapixel fusion camera setup, including main, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. The telephoto lens now supports up to 8x optical-quality zoom, bringing distant subjects closer without losing detail. On the front, there's an 18-megapixel center stage camera with autofocus, perfect for video calls and selfies. Connectivity and features. Apple has also pushed boundaries in connectivity. The iPhone 17 Pro Max introduces Wi-Fi 7 support, delivering ultra-fast wireless speeds. It features Bluetooth 5.4, a USB-C port with 3.2 Gen 2 speeds, and an updated ultra-wideband Gen 2 chip for precise location tracking. On the software side, it runs iOS 26, which brings the new liquid glass interface and enhanced Apple Intelligence features for smarter interactions. Specifications summary. Here's a quick specifications overview. The phone has a 6.9-inch LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 2868 by 1320 pixels, offering an impressive 460 pixels per inch and a peak brightness of 3000 nits. It runs on the 3nm A19 Pro chip with a 6-core CPU, 6-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. The device comes with 12 GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 256 GB to 2 TB. Power is provided by a built-in lithium-ion battery supporting up to 40-watt wired charging and 25-watt wireless charging. It is IP68 certified for water and dust resistance and weighs 231 grams. Colors and pricing, India. In India, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is available in 3 premium finishes: silver, cosmic orange, and deep blue. Pricing starts at 149,900 rupees for the 256 GB model and goes up to 229,900 rupees for the 2 TB option. The device officially launched on 19 September 2025.